So RSLS over 59, you do have the range here to about 75 and 90 on RSLS. GVH, we already played this morning. It's not a bad setup. I don't like it right now. We played it earlier from the 250s to 270s and played it super, super well. It actually pulled back and gave you guys a secondary opportunity off the dips as well. If it can maintain itself over the 230s, I don't mind just watching this. I really don't mind watching it. It's a pretty nice look on the daily here. And a pretty clean gap up into that past high up there, which is what, up in the 4s and 5s. So I wouldn't mind watching this one today. You've got range to about 410 and about 5 on this. So definitely keep your eyes on this one today. I have the bell. At this point, I just want to see it hold off the 2-4 or 2-3s. And if it can manage to do that, then we can probably look to play ball again on it. But I know we already played it once from 250 to 270, but we can still look at it later. So let's do that. GVH off of the 230. I don't like it anywhere lower or anywhere higher. I just want to watch it off of 230 today. CCG, $2. No range. You've got 240 right overhead, which is back to the pre-market high. SCPX, penny stock. No bueno. Not a fan. SYTA, not a fan. TANH, not a fan. ASTS, I am a fan. So I am a fan of ASTS. This is now over past highs, now over 575. Do we have any range on it? You're a little bit limited. You've got that 670 area right here. Yeah, you've got 670 and 7 actually right over price. So I'd actually be a little bit cautious trying to play ASTS today. Yes, it looks good in pre-market here, but range is super, super limited. You don't even have 20 cents of range over the highs. Yeah, you don't even have 20 cents of range over the highs. So personally, I would be leaving this one alone. I don't love it. I know it looks amazing here in pre-market. It looks like it would give an awesome opportunity on the breakout of the open, but I just don't love it. So I would leave that one alone there. All right, let's check in the chat real quick. Okay. So ASTS, not a fan. No range on it. ASTI, not a fan. Lucy, bouncing this morning with some volume. I know this was active a couple of days ago, and it looks like it's trying to curl here on, what, day 3? I wouldn't mind watching this one today. Yeah, I wouldn't mind watching Lucy today. Let me take a look at the daily here real quick. Now, I didn't like it a few days ago because of the lack of range, but obviously we retraced about 60% yesterday, so you might have room back to the 70s on it today. So I kind of want to watch this today over 45. Watch Lucy over 45 cents. And you've got range here to about 60 cents. You've got 60, then 70. So be watching this one pretty heavily. Again, just simply over 45 out of the open. See if it sets up for us. If it doesn't, we'll leave it alone. But I want to watch Lucy off of 45 cents for the range to 60 and 70. Let's see. Chewy up on earnings right below its 200-day moving average. Needs to hold over 1870. I don't know that I love Chewy. You know, typically Chewy will set up really nice for me, but it just never trades well. I can't remember the last time it traded well. So I'm going to leave it off the list for now. KTRA, PRST, a lot of penny stocks again today. Dick's Sporting Goods up again as well after earnings. This thing crushed it last time. Needs to hold over 207s. It's got range up into the 220s on it, so we can watch Dick's today. Watch Dick's off of dips out of the bell as long as it holds over the PM lows around 208. It's not a bad look. And again, it's got range to about 220 on Dick's. Peggy, I do not like. We played it yesterday though, amazingly. That was our like biggest, biggest winner yesterday was on Peggy. Played it twice for some pretty awesome plays. but I don't love it for today. So right now we've got RSLS, GHV, Lucy, and DKS. Let's see. Abercrombie up on earnings as well. Not really one that you can day trade. I think that we've gone through pretty much the big ones. We'll go through the nightly watch list too and just double check those. But I'm pretty sure as far as pre-market gappers go, we've pretty much touched on everything that looks decent. There's not really a whole lot of small cap gappers this morning, which is okay. Obviously, I'd prefer to see some more action than we're seeing. But again, it's a big holiday week in the market, Memorial Day. So it's kind of to be expected. Let's see. Hold on one second. Okay. Why is there a door-to-door salesman at my door at 9 o'clock in the morning? I was like, who is at my door? Oh my goodness. Let's see what else we got. DKS, no bueno. Right now, at least. Okay, I think we're good. All right, let's see. About to lose my mind if these people don't leave the door, dude. I got my dog barking and everything. Hold on. All right, anyways. So we got 4 stocks we watching here. We got about 15 minutes left. So always got to be a distraction. But I think we're good for the open here. I want to go through the nightly watch list here real quick. And see what else we got. Let's see, stock watch list. So we got a few more things to look at. We got 1, 2, 3. Let's get NNE pulled up. That is first one on the list. I kind of doubt that we play this one today, but I still like the look of it either way. If we can watch it over 627, it's a pretty good look. So we want to watch NNE over 627. That is the all-time high for the IPO here. So NNE to be watched over 627. Again, I highly doubt that we play this today. It's at 495 now pre-market. I liked the close yesterday at 590, but obviously at this point we're opening kind of weak, so I'm not too much of a fan. After that, we got RSLS. We already have that planned for, and we do have HIMS to watch today as well, which is one of my favorite setups for the day. I just want to watch HIMS today. If we can find a pullback down into the 1870. So 1870 is going to be the dip, which we're already in here in pre-market. So as long as we can hold up over the max risk level of, what do we have? 1820. As long as we can hold over the 1820 today, you've still got a nice look for upside here. So I would definitely be keeping an eye on HIMS. Pretty strong out of the bell here. Just because, again, we wanted to look for an entry here under 1870, and we're already pretty much testing that area here. So if you can catch a nice little dip at the open and look for the reversal back higher, I think this is a really, really nice setup. So HIMS to be watched off dips today over 1820 for the move up through previous highs. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 setups for the bell today. And not too bad. There's some setups that I doubt that we're going to play, like NNE, for example. I just highly doubt that's even going to be in question. So keep that in mind too. But it looks like that's pretty much the gist, of what we've got this morning. So BNAI, I might look at here. Let me take a look real quick. BNAI, what is the move here? Is this a D-SPAC? What is this? Looks like it. Let's see. We're at 190 here pre-market. Super beat down on the daily too. Highs from pre-market at 239. I mean, yeah, you can look at this for sure. You've got range here back up to about 280s. So you've got incentive to 280. Over 280, you've got the range up into the 4s. So obviously, you've got incentive here to at least watch this if it does set up for us. So I would keep an eye on this one today on BNAI. It looks like it's a D-SPAC, at least from what I can gather without looking into it. And as long as this holds over, honestly, just watch it off a VWAP out of the bell today. Just watch it over that 188 level. If we can find some type of setup here over 188 off dips, I wouldn't mind playing it up into the mid 2s. All right, so watch BNAI today out of the bell off of dips of VWAP. Let me get these setups posted up on the pre-market watch list real quick. And then we'll be ready for the open. All right, let's see what we got. GVH, we said we wanted to watch over 230. I doubt that we're going to play this, but I still want to keep an eye on it. Let's see, we said we had range here back to 330. We got Lucy off 45. We got DKS off of 208. Let's see, we got BNAI. BNAI off of dips. Off 188. And we got range here back up into good grief. All the noises this morning. I'm going to lose my mind. BNAI, we got range back to the 2/8 and 4. So I'm going to be watching this one as well. All right, we got about 10 minutes until the open, hopefully. I have no more distractions after the bell because, good grief, I'm going to lose my sanity, and it's not even 9:30 yet. All right. So, yes, it is at 220 right now on BNAI, but we do want to watch it closely out of the bell off of dips. This is honestly probably my top watch here, small cap-wise. BNAI, top watch. Out of the open. I wouldn't be taking it into the open, but I'll be watching it after open off dips. All right, so that's my game plan for the day, guys. We've got about 7 stocks we're watching at the open today. 100% win rate day yesterday. Looking to do it again today, hopefully, for another easy green day. Make sure to claim your 7-day free trial to watch me trade live every single day, and I will see you guys later. Peace, guys.